Hello friends, today I'll discuss on the documents and certificates that are required for making an application to SEBI by an individual for registration as an investment advisor. There are 8 types of documents and certificates that are required along with 5 declarations. First, let us go to the documents and certificates that are required. I will categorize this into 8 types. First is identity proof, second is applicant's detail, third is address proof, fourth is educational declarations, fifth is experience, sixth is network, seventh is business plan and infrastructure details, and lastly 8th number is CIBIL score report. There are 5 declarations that must be filed along with this application. First is identity proof. In identity proof, you have to file the PAN and Aadhaar. For applicant's name, you have to file the Shop Act and the Udyog Aadhaar. For the address proof, you have to file the registered rent agreement or bank statement or passbook and passport. So in case of bank statement, the statement must contain the name of the individual and the same address as he is going to register as his place of business. Next is on education. Educational certificates like degree of the issuing organization or institute must be attached. Experience certificate. It should be on the employer's letterhead that you have worked and the work that you have done under him and the number of years that you have worked under him. Next is the network certificate. You must file the ITR return for the last 3 years or Form 16 if you are an employee. Plus, you have to file a network certificate that is issued by a CA. Plus, you have to file a bank statement of not less than 1 year. Remember that the address must be same as the address that the applicant wants to apply. Next is about business plan and infrastructure details. I will discuss in details in another video on business plan. Lastly, CIBIL score report. There are 5, now we come to the declarations. There are 5 declarations that need to be filed along with the application. Let us go into each of them one by one. Declaration 1. Declaration by the applicant that the applicant and persons associated with the investment advice, if any, currently comply with certification and qualification required under Regulation 7. Declaration 2. Declaration that the applicant and person associated with investment advice possess adequate infrastructure to discharge the duties of an investment advisor. Declaration 3. Declaration that the applicant shall not receive consideration, including any commission or referral fees, whether embedded or indirectly or otherwise, by whatever name called, directly or indirectly, as investment advisors group or family level for the said services. Declaration 4. Declaration that the applicant and person associated with investment advice are fit and proper person as per Schedule 2 of Intermediary Regulations 2008. Declaration number 5. Declaration that the applicant shall not obtain any consideration by way of remuneration or compensation or by any other form whatsoever from any person other than the client being advised in respect of the underlying products or services for which advice is provided to the client. All these declarations are available under Form A of the SEBI Investment Advisor Regulation. I hope this video was useful. Thank you.